Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to add FFmpeg in Audacity so you can import and export more audio formats with ease. Let's get started. Step 1 is to download FFmpeg. First, go to the official Audacity website and download FFmpeg for your operating system. Make sure you choose the correct version for Windows, Mac or Linux. The second step is to install FFmpeg. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. If you downloaded a zip file, extract it to a folder on your computer. The next step is to link FFmpeg with Audacity. Now, open Audacity and go to Edit and Preferences. Navigate to the Libraries section. Click Locate, that is located right here, and if Audacity detects it automatically, you're all set. If not, click Browse. Find the FFmpeg folder you installed, select the correct file and confirm. Step 4. Test it out. Now, after everything is done, try importing an MP4 or M4A file. If it works, FFmpeg is successfully installed. And that's it. If it helped, like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.